Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you've ever accidentally deleted a playlist on Spotify, don't worry, I'm here to help you recover it. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to restore a deleted playlist so you can get back to enjoying your favorite tracks in no time. Playlists are one of the most valuable features on music streaming platforms like Spotify. They allow us to create our personalized song collections and enjoy the music we love. However, sometimes we accidentally or intentionally delete one of our playlists. Fortunately, there's a way to recover it. First, open the Spotify app on your device. Once it's open, navigate to the Your Library section, which is located in the bottom menu. From here, select any playlist, and if you'd like to delete it, tap on the three dots below the playlist's title. In the menu that appears, select Delete Playlist and confirm your choice in the pop-up window. This is just a reminder of how playlists get deleted. Now, to recover a deleted playlist, you'll need to access Spotify through your web browser. Open Spotify's website and log into your account. Once you're in, tap the gear icon at the top of the screen and select View Account from the options. Scroll through the account settings until you find the Recover Playlist option. Tap on it, and a list of all deleted playlists within the last 90 days will appear. Simply tap the Restore button next to the playlist you want to recover. Please note that you can only recover playlists within 90 days of deletion. After that, they're permanently gone. And that's it! You've now successfully recovered your deleted Spotify playlist. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Spotify tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.